Citizen leader nelsonchamisa officially announced his political comeback on Friday, unveiling Agenda 2026, a fresh start, a bold and ambitious roadmap aimed at resetting Zimbabwe's political and economic direction. Sadabeda mashoko kuda pangwana chin citizen leader President nelsonchamisa returns with Agenda 2026 renewal plan. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The statement marks a renewed push for President Chamisa and his citizens' movement to mobilize Zimbabweans both at home and abroad, calling for unity, ethical leadership, and a new national consensus. President Chamisa's return comes at a time when Zimbabwe is facing deepening economic hardship, political uncertainty, and social instability. In his address, he argued that the promise of independence has yet to deliver shared prosperity, dignity, and opportunity for all citizens. According to President Chamisa, the country is grieved by disputed national processes, institutional decay, and a widening legitimacy crisis. He described the current political environment as one characterized by rigged elections, corruption, and state capture, and a toxic culture of intolerance and hatred. President Chamisa emphasized that these conditions have eroded public trust and created a divided nation where citizens are treated as subjects rather than rights-bearing individuals. The citizen leader also highlighted the plight of Zimbabweans in the diaspora, noting that the struggle is real for many who have been forced to leave the country. He spoke about the immigration challenges they face, including harassment, humiliation, and unlawful detention, and urged the diaspora should be fully recognized as part of their national project. Despite the bleak realities, President Chamisa insisted that the resilience of Zimbabweans remain unbroken. He said the call for change is clear and echoed across towns, villages, and foreign countries. For him, this moment presents an opportunity for a fresh start, a new beginning rooted in unity, hope, and purposeful action. Central to Agenda 2026 is the belief that Zimbabwe's crisis is primarily a governance crisis. Ndo mashikano kudaita ukapona pan ari nelsonchamisa in short achiuya achilonja aiwa Agenda 2026 pena kumesection medu dzafunguro aimbo today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check out the bell icon.